Well, today's a rainy day where we're at, so we're gonna play outside with all of our construction vehicles. There they all are. Does it look like fun?
Yeah, it's fun.
Izzy's toy time! Whoa. Yeah, get it.
Beep beep.
Alright, let's...
This one.
This one?
This one.
Yo.
Clean. Bath time, bath time. Bath time, bath time. Bath time. And they're all gonna eat the rocks. And in our little city, a cool car is gonna live. In our little city, a plane lives. In our little city, a
That is a Triceratops. No idea. It looks like a T-Rex. Brontosaurus. That's a Stegosaurus.
Hey!
Pterodon.
That's not a dinosaur.
Pterodactyl.
Yeah!
A Platypusosaurus. I have no idea. That is a red dinosaur.
Digger.
That's a digger.
Digger.
Dump truck.
Dump truck. Rawr. 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 Oh no! Get it? He got it. He finally got it. Oh, he got it. Rawr. Rawr. Mosquito. Here they go. Clean it up. Here they go. Ah! Get out there. Here we go. Clean it up. Here comes a big rock.